A seed vault is your ticket to future food security. Today I'll show you how to save and store seeds to ensure you're always prepared for planting. Step 1. Collect seeds from plants you already grow or purchase heirloom seeds. These are non-GMO and can be replanted season after season. Step 2. Store seeds in airtight containers. Mason jars, vacuum-sealed bags, or even small tins work perfectly to keep moisture and pests out. Step 3. Use silica gel packets to control moisture. Keeping your seeds dry ensures they remain viable for longer. Step 4. Don't forget to label. Include the seed type and collection date so you always know what you have and how fresh it is. With a DIY seed vault, you're not just storing seeds, you're safeguarding your family's future food supply. Start building yours today. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.